Welcome to Graphic 45. I'm Amy Philmahala and I'm here to show off our latest Christmas collection, Christmas Time. Christmas Time is this beautiful line that incorporates traditional vintage Santas with funky steampunk. So come on in and get a close-up tour with me to show off our latest holiday line. So with the Christmas Time collection pack, you're gonna get 2 of each 8 double-sided 12 by 12 sheets of paper, as well as 2 6 by 12 coordinating sticker sets. And so with our Christmas Time line, it is just so fun because it's incorporating that vintage Santa with the fun little steampunk accents. As you can see, his little goggles and these fun little ornaments in the top made out of gears. And that gorgeous Christmas time in the center there, placed on a clock with gears, little train. So many beautiful Santas here on Christmas Time. On the B side of the signature page, you have this fun check, dramatic black and cream check that you see throughout the line. This paper is called Believe in Magic. Believe in Magic has so many fun imageries of some different Santas. Loving the vintage Santa, painting the doll, little Santa with his bag full of toys over his shoulder. And then on the B side of Believe in Magic is this really beautiful word page full of holiday and Christmas sayings to be used and cut apart in all of your holiday projects. And then Holly and Mistletoe is this really gorgeous holly berry with the gears set on that dramatic black. So pretty. On the B side of the holly and mistletoe, you have this nice green, really great to use. And here is North Pole. North Pole is a cut apart paper you can use, perfect for card toppers, for all those holiday cards. Little stamps on the side to use to adorn all those festive projects you're going to be creating. And here comes Santa paper. Love this. So many different fun Santas in there. Like, I love that Santa playing the piano. On the B side of Here Comes Santa, you have this really great paper in the green, all these fun images, festive images. Love the little Santa up in the top. And then Trim the Tree, a little Christmas tree decorated with gears and presents, ornaments. On the B side of Trim the Tree is a classic holiday plaid, very festive with the red and green. And then of course, Jingle All the Way is this great tag page. Look at all these perfect size tags to be used to create personal, custom, homemade tags for all your presents. How cute is that? Love the little Santa there. And then of course, Making Spirits Bright. This is the ornament page that has those beautiful ornaments made out of the gears, of course, with that really fun red ribbon. And on the B side of Making Spirits Bright is this fun little gear page, nice little ditzy, or super usable. And then this is the Jingle All the Way. Here's the B side to that. The nice monochromatic deer. That one got out of order there, sorry about that. And then this is the B side to the North Pole Express with the little Christmas tree and presents around it, super cute. So in that collection pack, you're gonna also get the 2 6 by 12 sticker sheets that are made to go perfectly with your Christmas time projects, fun borders, and different tags to be used. Also with your Christmas time embellishments, definitely get your hands on this die cut assortment pack. It comes with 48 assorted pieces, already die cut out, just ready to get added on to your projects. Let me just pull out a few of these. So you can see we have this wonderful frame that has the nice little cutout ornate corners there, and it's double-sided, as well as a fun little season's greeting banner. Another little frame with that Santa Claus playing the piano, super cute. And just tons of little things that are so perfect to adding on to all of your Christmas time projects. So those definitely sell out quickly, so get your hands on them now. This is our journaling and ephemera card set. It includes 32 pieces, and you're gonna get 2 of each of these, and these will sell out super quick, especially the holiday set, because they're perfect for your card toppers and everything. And of course, when it comes to Christmas, people are making a lot of cards for their loved ones and personalizing these. So you get a whole set of these of 32 that are double-sided, perfect for all of those cards. And you're gonna get 1 of 2 of each. So, and they come in the 3x4s as well as the 4x6s. And so this will just give you tons of options for making homemade cards. So definitely grab these, and you can get these at your local Papercrafting store that carries G45, or of course, you can get them on our website at g45papers.com. And you can also pick up the chipboard to add the dimension to your projects. And this comes with lots of fun frames and tags that already have the pre-cut holes. So those are the Christmas time chipboard, as well as the Christmas time 8x8 pad. This comes with 24 sheets, so you're gonna get 3 of each double-sided sheet. And this 8x8 pad is just the shrunk down images of those 12x12 to scale. So this is great for you wanting to make more mini kind of cards, or for mini albums, of course. And so you get 24 sheets of this holiday goodness. So definitely grab one of those if you're a card maker or a mini person. And here we have the 12x12 patterns and solids. This comes with 16 sheets, and you're gonna get 8 different patterns, and let me a different angle. 8 different patterns, and so 2 of each sheet. And so this is perfect because you get a solid on one side and a more simple kind of design on the reverse side. And so it's perfect for coordinating with the collection. And this is featuring the 4 primary colors in the line: the gold, the black, the green, and of course the festive red. So this is, gotta love the reindeer there. So that is the patterns and solids. So definitely check out Christmas time on our website at g45papers.com, and thanks so much for joining me today.